Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Wallet Wisdom. Today we're talking about coins and tokens. What are they and how are they different from each other? There are many cryptocurrencies out there, but not all of them are the same. At the highest level, they fall into two buckets, coins and tokens. Coins are the native assets of their blockchains. Think of them as highways. Ether is the coin of the Ethereum blockchain. It's used to pay for transactions, and people who stake Ether help keep the network secure while earning rewards in return. Because building a blockchain is complex, there are only a few dozen major coins out there. Tokens are different. They don't have their own highways. They ride on top of someone else's. For example, USDC is a stablecoin that runs on Ethereum and Solana. Aave is a DeFi token used for lending and borrowing on Ethereum. An easy way to remember it: coins are the operating system, tokens are the apps built on it. So to recap, coins power their own blockchains, tokens run on top of them, and there are only a handful of coins, but many tokens. Well, folks, that's it for this week's Wallet Wisdom. Drop your comments below. What do you want us to cover next week?